1 week is equal to 7 days. Today we will learn about days of a week, names of the days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Before Friday comes Thursday. Before Thursday comes Wednesday. Before Wednesday comes Tuesday. Before Tuesday comes Monday. Before Monday comes Sunday. Before Sunday comes Saturday. Before Saturday comes Friday. After Friday comes Saturday. After Saturday comes Sunday. After Sunday comes Monday. After Monday comes Tuesday. After Tuesday comes Wednesday, and after Wednesday comes Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. One day after Friday is Saturday. 2 days after Friday is Sunday. 3 days after Friday is Monday. 4 days after Friday is Tuesday. 5 days after Friday is Wednesday. 6 days after Thursday is 6 days after Friday is Thursday. 7 days after Friday is Friday. In this way, 1 day before Friday is Thursday. 2 days before Friday is Wednesday. 3 days before is Tuesday. 4 days before Monday. 5 days before Sunday. And 6 days before Saturday. 84 page 1 number. What problem? 2 days ago, Reza went to maternal uncle's house. If today is Wednesday, on which day did he go to maternal uncle's house? If today is Wednesday, we have to find 2 days ago, 2 days before Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. From today, 2 days ago. We have to find from 2 days ago means 2 days before. 1, 2. Monday. Second number question. Sports day in Mena's school will be held 6 days after today. If today is Monday, on which day will the sports day will be? So we have to find from today after 6 days. Today is Monday. Monday to after 6 days. Today is Monday. So after 6 days from Monday is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is Sunday. So sports will be held on Sunday. Our record answer is Sunday. Last number question. Ali went to a hospital 2 days ago, but his stomach ache started 3 days before he went to the hospital. If today is Saturday, on which day did his stomach ache start? First number, today is Saturday. From today, 2 days ago, his stomach ache started. From 2 days ago, before 2 days ago, before these 2 days, 3 days before, he went to the hospital. we have to find the date when the stomach ache started. Here, today is Saturday. From Saturday, 2 days before, 2 days before he went to hospital. But before Thursday, 3 days ago, his stomach ache started. So 1, 2, 3. So Monday his stomach ache was started. Our required result is Monday. I hope you can understand all the things clearly. Now let's try to solve exercises. No more today. Thank you very much.